Given a test that teaches you a lesson. We all know that at each grading period, we given a test to measure how much we learn. But life give us a test before we learn. We all are gathered here to celebrate our success in overcoming tests in our school. And please let us look back and send our signals to our dear school. So, to our alma mater, Upper Nilo Elementary School, thank you very much. Thank you for the comfort of the chairs that we have seated for several years. The floor our feet are rest upon. I will still carry the sense of our notepads and erasers, our bags, pens, and pencils, when we just learning to form our first letter, to write our first word, and to draw our first flowers, to fill our chairs, the colors of our rooms, and the hundreds of snacks that we shared. And lastly, let us thank God for this moment. Let us thank let us thank here and for the blessings and our future will happen. To all, congratulations and until we met again.
Thank you. The next is an